What makes Nigeria the giant that it is in the continent?
The rhythm of Nigeria goes so much beyond music.
I just feel it's in our blood. Like, you literally walk out the door and see everyone striving to be better, to hustle for their family and push.
We've succeeded at so many levels when so many odds were stacked against us.
You know, with my producers, I send them ideas. I send them voice notes like, yo, check out this vibe, check out this melody. Can I get a beat to this? Yo, bro, what do you think about this idea for the second verse?
To be able to play these amazing rhythms and sounds to the world is like a gift. I go bring you come Nigeria. Just to have some gelato. My baby gelato. Sweet like gelato. Oh, baby.
Are we not cousins? I think this might be the first time I've actually partnered with a Nigerian artist. WhatsApp will keep me close to home during this Independence Day, like it always has, through saying everything that you can think of under the sun.
Nigeria, this one is for you.
If it's an issue, pack 'em.